Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to design a suitcase in Solidworks Pro. Before going to start, I'm requesting everybody, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. Okay, now I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going here and taking a new file. Okay, part is selecting. And I'm going here, units MMGS is selecting. Then taking the top plane, sketch, and I'm going here and selecting the center rectangle, sketching a center rectangle. Okay, then spot dimension is selecting and also selecting the length of this rectangle 200 mm and the width of this rectangle will be 100 mm. Okay, then I'm going to the inserts and sheet metal, base plane is selected. Then I want to take this one parameter is 2 millimeters and it will be the default scale factor and K will be the 0.5. Then okay. Then I'm selecting this face and a sketch. I want to take a line, sketching a line from here. Okay. That one is click OK. Now I'm determining the dimension. This one is taking 15 mm and this distance is taken 8 mm. And this one is taking 5 mm. Will be 10 mm is better, I think 10 mm. Okay, this one is 8 mm. And this one is 0.5. So again taking this total is I'm taking the 5 mm. Okay, done. Then here I'm going to exit it. Okay, see. Then I'm going to the insert. I'm going to the sheet metal and sweep planes is selecting. Then click on this edge. See, and click on this edge. Also this edge. Now also this edge. Now the suitcase is done. I'm taking the this one is 0.5. It will be less than the thickness. Okay. See, this one is done also. Now I'm selecting this one sketch. Then selecting a circle here. One circle is drawn. Then I'm selecting another circle here. Okay. Another circle. And also another circle is here. Okay. Okay. Escape from the keyboard and selecting this one and delete. I think this one is no need here. Selecting this circle and delete from the keyboard. So now, then I'm going to the features. Extruder boss is selecting. Then it will be extruded. I'm taking this one is up to 8 mm. And I'm taking The angle will be 5 degrees, and also I'm taking this one is also 5. So done. See, then okay. Or I can also create a thin hole. The inside hole will be, and this will be the 0.5, 0.5. Okay, done. Work or not. Wait a few seconds. Okay. See, now I want to do another things. Here I want to make a hole to out the water. So now extruded was selected and click on this portion, and I'm selecting a circle here. Okay, I'm creating a circle. Similarly, creating a circle here inside the hole. Okay, now also here. So done. Then exit it. Then I want to go in here and slowly select it. Then okay. Okay, done. Fully select. Now I'm selecting this one and going to the extruder cut. I'm selecting a circle here, circle, and another circle. And going to determine the dimension. This circle's diameter will be 10 mm, 10 mm, and this circle diameter is will be 5 mm. And the distance between two center of the circle is 10 mm. Okay. Then I'm going here and selecting the circular pattern, selecting the circle, and the number of the circles will be 8. Okay. Then exit it. I'm going here to select. Okay. Now the hole is created. See. Then I'm going to the pattern, selecting the circle and selecting this one, and I want to fillet this one is the radius will be 0.3 mm, fine. Okay, then see, rounded. Okay, the showcase is done. Now I want to select the materials, so double click is here, appearance. Okay, appearance is showing. I'm going to the plastic. Okay, I want to take the texture plastic now. Here, given pattern. Composite. I want the composite materials to select. Double click is here. I don't want to take this first of all. Again, see. Okay. So I want to do this. I want to do this, or I can take this pattern. Okay. This one is better, I think. So done. Going here, select this. I think everybody got it how to sketch a simple suitcase in Solidworks softwares. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment, share. The redesign engineering is always so.